Hey, Steve Trimble, and this connected construction tip number 28 is actually how to insert point clouds into your Tekla drawings. So previously we showed you how to collect scans, georeference, and register them in the field, and then export out sections of them so that we could model in what you see here, which is essentially new stairs fit in this stair core. And then we even showed you how to bring it into Connect so that anyone within that project could actually start to dimension openings and things like that. To bring a point cloud into the drawings, though, you're going to need RealWorks. And so RealWorks is our desktop registration software that has a lot more modeling and registration tools, as well as exports components, so that we can go from a full scan data down to just the area of interest. And what we're going to end up doing to bring the scan data into the drawings is actually downsampling it quite a bit and then exporting it as a DXF. That DXF is going to convert those points into essentially geometry that can then be viewed in Tekla drawings. So I'm going to get this point cloud down for the region I need, as small as I can. And then instead of selected geometries, I'm actually going to do selected clouds. And then export frame, because we've already georeferenced that, is good and we haven't changed it. So we'll keep that the same. And then we'll keep color coded intensity as well. And so what that's going to do is create a new, you can see from my different examples, I have a couple of these, a new DXF. So once I'm in Tekla, and we'll actually exit this and show you how to open it up. So we exited our Tekla view, or sorry, our drawing view, and you can see we have scan data is already there and can be used in the modeling portion. But to bring that into the drawing portion, I'm going to, rather than attaching a point cloud, attach that new DXF or drawing that we have. So here's our example. We'll add that. And then because that's going to be a reference drawing, what I can do next is actually add it into a drawing as a view too. So here we're going to do that. We'll turn off the opening. That's from a previous one. And then we'll go here, create drawing, and we'll do a couple of these. We'll do the 3D view as well, and then open a drawing. This was actually inspired from a Building Point Australia video that was very popular, and but I realized when I had to share it with some users that maybe more people could find value if we just kind of showed this workflow again. So that's why I made this video. What I did was create that drawing and then go into the properties, the reference object, and turn on the visibility of that new DXF. And so here, when we zoom in, you could actually start to see these are point clouds that are, if we zoom in, essentially created as objects now that we can then come in and do select which point we want to do a dimensioning of like the vertical opening, just to make sure that the door frames we're going to also fabricate are going to fit. So it looks like we have an 8-foot opening there, and then do the same thing with the horizontal so we can see that as well too. So there's a very nice workflow, and 3'5" by 8. When I export this drawing or do a printer, it'll actually show all that as well too. So please look for that other video link down at the bottom and reach out to either your Tekla reseller or Tekla directly, or your Building Point distributor, or anyone at Trimble, and hopefully we can get you working. But very positive feedback from this one, so I thought I'd show it again. Thanks, and see you next week.